Okay, wait. Come in the clip. So he took the day off from work, and we're gonna go to the beach.
Outside with it today, you know. Long time we not go out.
Yeah.
So yeah, mom's birthday come up. So you know we go.
Oh, I forgot about that actually.
Come with the people today.
And he cooked a nice breakfast this morning.
What was it?
Eggs and plantain, egg omelet with pepper, and what else was in it? Tomato and plantain and fried breadfruit. Was super good. And he was even gonna make mackerel. That would have been a crazy thing. Would have been so much on the plate. But we just decided we'll have the mackerel next time. So delicious breakfast. And here's the car hiding. Actually, when I first came out here, I thought you left because I couldn't even see the car. Alright guys, we'll show you when we get to the beach. Guys, look, there's so many different like hotels and things to do here. That says Inn at the Cove. We just passed a different cove. What did that say? Frenchman's Cove. That's the thing where you can just go and look, or it's like you have to pay to enter.
Probably have a pay to enter, but
and what is
on a beach.
Oh.
With bars and restaurants.
That sounds nice. Yeah, so because it's the other direction, right? This going like further away from Norwich.
Yeah. It's a back out of the town from Port and Tony. We have to go back, so we have to go through Port and Tony town first.
Okay, yeah. So this is further than.
It's at the more to St. Thomas side.
Okay. Yeah, guys. So this is like, and now I see what you're saying, that it's touristy because those are all places for tourists.
And then I fix the road out here so differently.
Oh.
We could enter the sidewalk with the bricks.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, look, guys. Yeah, that's pretty. That's a good place. Like if people have dogs, they can walk. Well, no one walks dogs here, but you could do it, I guess. How come no one walks their dogs here?
People do it, man, but that was uptown Kingston.
Oh,
when you go uptown Kingston, you see all of the rich lifestyle you see in a New York City.
And the
all
fluffy
the
dogs.
Lifestyle, every type of dog.
Oh, okay.
German Shepherd, Pool. They have lots of Americans living in Kingston too.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Buy a house and a big house and a run Airbnb.
Oh, but are they like Jamaicans that like are second generation in America or something? Like it's like their parents were Jamaican.
No, some white people.
Oh, really? Never heard of Americans.
So I meet a couple here we moved to Jamaica about 7 years now. And I had a business out here. And they house over there, I run it in a business.
I didn't know
like, that. They rent out the room, they want to run like rooms. And the money with them make off of the rent. More than what them mortgages we pay.
That's
so
good.
they just use that money and pay their mortgage every month.
Yeah.
And then it costs them nothing and they still make a little profit from it.
That's super good. Oh look guys, there's construction. Because I've seen a lot of people like, I feel for some reason there's a bunch of like older German people that moved here like 30 years ago that like have properties in Airbnb, but I've never seen so far like just white American.
Anybody can come to Jamaica, come buy land.
Yeah. True. But everyone thinks I'm weird that it came here in my family, so I don't know. See, family, I'm not weird.
Anybody free if you go anywhere.
Yeah, remember that. Anybody free to go anywhere.
Police
Okay. Okay. Look at this, guys. Blue Lagoon. See the sign? I really want to go and see this. See? What police is coming? Oh.
Yeah, go on with.
Good, how are you? Guys, we actually just passed an Airbnb where we stayed months ago. When I first came here, we stayed at an Airbnb. So I wish I would have recorded. On the way back, I can show them. It's a nice Airbnb, and there was a storm when we were over there. So it was like the only place that had some power.
Right after the storm?
Yeah, right after the storm. Yeah, he chose such a bad time to come. It ended up being fine, but who flies here during a hurricane? Oh, look at this place. Winfred Beach. This is where we're going?
This is where we're going.
Okay, and look, tons of goats. Oh, look at the road! Look at the road! There's a giant drop-off, see it? Be careful. And look, guys, one goat. Guys, look how pretty this house is. This one is beautiful, and I love the coloring. Do you like what they chose?
The green and cream.
Yeah, it's really
This
pretty.
one is nice though.
Yeah, especially the flowers. That looks super pretty.
This one really safe. So grill up.
Yeah, so true.
Them also are so safe with yours then like grill up.
Yeah, these ones are like they really made that the main
And
purpose.
this one.
Yeah, this one is cute too.
Grill up.
I like the colors. But do you think they did that because originally it wasn't safe, or they just wanted to do it? Oh, look at this grass. Look how pretty this is. What? This looks like one yoga center.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, they organized it really pretty good. Look at this car. They're so impatient. They honk and drive
Funny house,
fast.
funny this house.
I like the brown. Would you make yours brown?
Pretty. Yeah. Brown nice small house.
Yeah. And it's like deep brown. It's nice chocolate.
This house really big, you know.
Yeah. Which one? The brown one, yeah.
Yeah.
And super tall. Look at this one. They have like an area to sit at the top. Like a roof veranda.
Yeah, so say good if you have money in your life. You can make up what you want.
So true. And you can design it, draw it on a paper, and then get exactly the type of house that you want. Look at this statue.
Look like I want falling angel.
Yeah. Yeah, those are angels. They're
That
saints.
night then they must get real and fly out.
Probably.
And come back.
Yeah, look, here's another one. Oh, she looked pretty with the flowers. Let me show them. Guys, look, see?
Pretty with the flowers on my head.
Yeah. Oh, look, this one they're building still.
So new house, this never built well the last time I come here.
Oh, really? When were you here last?
A couple months ago.
Oh, and they did all of that?
Yeah. Because money has
Mm-hmm.
spent fast.
Yeah.
And man at work every day.
Yeah, true. Okay. Guys, look at my shirt. This is a new green color. My shorts.
My favorite so to run out, I like to see that one of them. Nice.
Look at this.
Nice barbecue and tree up, jumping tree so nice.
Whoa, look at this. What is this random part?
Hmm?
What is this random part for? This,
That's like
or they're working on it still, I think.
yeah, like a little bar here.
Oh.
So they can sit down.
Oh, look. This looks
one
like...
have a gazebo up at top where you can go in a gazebo go sit down and look in the whole ocean.
Oh, my God.
This one have a balcony.
What? Oh, my God. This one is my favorite, I
Put the
think.
balcony at the front.
What?
So you can just go up there, go chill out, and you got shelter up there like gazebo. You see those roof?
Oh, yeah.
Those are roof where you can sit down and
But is that like a hotel or something?
no, it's a house.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Because it looked like there was like multiple
It's the house
sections.
where look at the people in for this kind of foreign abandoned years.
So maybe we can take it over.
Take it where they said buy it.
No.
I don't live in a fear, I live in a house. A big house, you know, look on it.
Yeah.
Buy more, buy this one
It'll be
because they
super
locked down to
expensive.
and go on a farm too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because you see shutter then just shut down.
So why wouldn't they rent it to people?
Some people just don't want to rent nothing to nobody because they're rich.
Yeah.
They don't need, they look at that, they have problem with people and all that. Some people have millions of dollars in Jamaica and all over the world.
Yeah, true. Oh,
Sure.
look, bamboo.
Yes.
Bamboo gate, guys.
Certain things just small to them.
Yeah, that's what we have to get to.
The beach, I don't know, say the beach nice,
Uh-huh.
but I don't know. Look at the fix the road, I know. But the road really fucking bad.
So we can't get there?
Yeah, we can get there, but we have to drive really slow.
Alright, guys. Yeah, look at their...
But
Yeah,
the beach is nice because the beach have nature surrounding. You're gonna look
Oh.
down there.